Hey guys, Maxi here, and this will probably not be your average tutorial. It probably won't even be a tutorial at all. What I just wanted to do was just, film some stuff, like me just going at it, just doing whatever, I guess. And, just, telling you kind of what's going on along the way. So let's see, I have that. Stop timer. Have it. Need to get. If you do, I'll actually show you guys what I'm doing right now. Let me just bring up Minecraft. Alright, so this is going to be a little test for well, my server kind of. This is my test server. This is where I do all my testing stuff, obviously. So yeah, this is just a little, what's it called, thing I built, lobby, I guess, yeah, lobby I built, just made it look nice for a game knockout, which I won't get into too much detail of, but actually, how do you guys like these join signs? Let me just get that all up in there. Yeah, how do you like them? Heck, I don't know. There's a weird noise in the background. I don't know if you could hear it. Oh. Anyway, there enough. Click on teleport to lobby location, and let me just there you go. This is a little glitch thing right now because because of the way everything's structured. It kind of does it like this, then goes around in a circle, just so you know. Oh, actually, what I don't know if you guys know what I mean by that, but what I tried to do is, this is for like maps and choosing votes. Like, if you click it, thanks for voting. You know that. Click it again, you'll vote. You only vote once. And so what actually I did. Let's see. This is the sign. Click. Where's the sign up? And signs. Map signs. Alright, so this is to find and change the signs, obviously with the arena name of the game. Let's see, we have maps. So this is kind of a lot of kind of just random stuff, right here I just got the X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z coordinate, and the world the lobby location is. And then I put it all into a vector. Then I shows a radius of my choosing, I guess a radius that I wanted, I guess. So I did 15, 10, and 15. And I did that to make sure that the block was centered. And a bunch of other stuff that I won't get too much into detail for. But what I did was, if the get block at the positions is a sign, basically, then I actually got an instance of the sign at that point. Checked if the last line had the same thing as game. So let me just KO test off. So if the kind of look like that, let me see it. So if it contains map 1, which it does, and if it has bracket, then the game, then the bracket, then I would get a random map. I would split it at .schem first, because they're all schematic files. Because you'll see what happens in the very end. Oh my God, I can't talk today. I can't talk at all. It's terrible. The terrible disease I have is called no talkism. Yeah, I don't really get it. Alright. But anyway. So, it gets the map, and then it sets it green to vote. The map sets a line 2 to nothing, and then 0 votes. And then when you click on it, and you haven't voted yet. Actually, no, is this? Oh, no, that's for that. Where's the actually vote? There you go. If it says vote on it, and you are not in the what's it called? Hashmap. If you're on the Hashmap. Then it says thanks for voting, and then it adds one to the votes. But if you are on the Hashmap, it says you only vote once. So stuff like that, just little stuff, and all of this one line of code, ranging from 28 all the way, all the way down to 1230 is just to get a radius from this point all the way to here and all the way around, with a radius of 15 for x and y, and then a radius of 10 radius of x. Oh my god. Radius of 15 for x and z, while a radius of 10 for y. And then it checks through, goes through all the blocks. If the block is a sign, and if the sign looks like this, and contains map 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, and then this KO test, that changes it to this. The vote, you click on the vote, you only vote once, because I am already in the thing. But it's good. Doesn't change. And then it takes you out once the game's over. Just getting length squares, and this right here is changing them back. Goes the exact same thing. Just changes everything back. Yeah, that took a long time. A very long time. Hey guys, we're back, and I'm sorry about that. Showed my Skype information. Yeah. Accidentally doing that, Aye. Alright, let's go to the core get map. So what did I actually want to work on today? Oh yeah, the actual game dynamics thing, getting minimum and maximum numbers of players. Alright, yeah. Alright. And actually I can do that by creating a folder. Sorry if that's a bit loud. I'll turn that down actually. Oh, that's so much better. Oh my god. Alright, so anyway, this is actually what it looks like. The game API, The games, you got Knockout for itself, which just has arenas. I can actually just... I think I would actually be able to do this. Then, maps. I'll show you guys. Actually, nah. See, for player storage, did I finish doing player storage? Is that list files? Yeah, I'm just creating a configuration section for it under the arena. Alright, yeah. So actually, what I'm going to do is when do I create the file? That's under game, right? Let's call it formats, games, game. We've been a game creator. Game creator. Was that mini games? Or did I change it? No. Let's get file. Register game. Create section. Game.get name. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright. Then let's see. Config dot register game. Have be int min int max. Alright. Config dot set min players 2. My god. Min and config dot set max players to max. Alright, and that should be all good, right? So I forgot to do something. I don't think I did. Did I? No? No, I don't want to copy it. No, I think. And let's go to the actual game itself. Where did I create the thing? Register new arena. Is that under register? That's under game creator, register game, which is deprecated. I believe I made it deprecated. Which is because... Is it? Or is it? Was it up here? Yeah, I don't use game creator at all now, do I? No. Alright. Let's go to arena creator. Here it is, alright. Actually, no, no, I'll leave that under there. I'll leave that there. And then in here yeah. No, here. I can just do game creator. Game creator GC equals new game creates new game creator what was it? Core. Okay. Alright, sweet. GC dot register game. And the only reason why that didn't save was because I didn't export. That's why none of this is. That's why this is strange. I never exported it. Now, this one should be GC dot still that. That's because this thing needs to be reloaded. Now, GC dot yes register game. Let's go with 1 for now and have the max be. How many people should play this? 12. Alright. Now let's build. Let's see what this does. KO test off. Alright. Let us check. Well, that's going to be different, and I know what that is. I know why, and I know exactly why. And get config and it's get game file and creator. Which is this, and it is get config, which is get file, which is I don't even know what the heck I was trying to do here. Games dash let's see, what was it? File. Actually, is there a game thing for that? Game dot. Is there a get name suite? Sorry. I like how I make get names. Game. game dot get name plus and plus okay, file game. Sweet. And get code for game. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Now, this will hopefully work. Yeah, so you can see. Fun, you know. Not really fun, but tedious works. So knockout. Bam. Go knockout, which I don't really need that, but I can use maximum players. So I don't need a configuration section for that. Alright. Alright. Now that I have a min and maximum amount of players, I can do a check. Do a check. Where can I do a check? I can do a check on sign click. Let's see, arena handler. Create a new class. I'll just call it player check. Okay, public player check. Player check. And let's have it have a core plugin. Yes, I want that core. Core equals plugin. And now I can have a public boolean is above min. I'll have it this be for, let's have it be a string. String game, string arena. Actually, no, just a string arena. Because I've been wanting to work on something. Just to make this, actually, no, boolean min equals false. Return min. Alright. But before I get any further with that, let's go over and where would I put it? Games under getter. Let's create a getter for this. Public getter. Just that, yeah, public getter. Public string get game. Just get game. Right, puppy? Yeah, that's my dog. Alright, string game equals that. Just so we have something to return. Game. Alright. Now, let's see. Let's have an enum. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you guys an enum. Public enum. Let's see, let's just call it games. Alright. This is an enum, and this is how it is set up. So we have this, and it's public enum, and it's games, and basically what an enum is just a list of a bunch of different possibilities that you could use that are yes. Yeah, just that's basically just it, really. So I could say KO, not KO, BSG, KO, BSG, let's see, what do I have, CTF, let's see what else we have, oh yeah, BW, and there's one more, oh yeah, Gaga, with more coming along the way. Alright, so what we're going to be using here is, let's see, games, no, not that, games G equals dot value of string arena, value of arena. And now I can do a switch statement. So this is actually going to be very useful. As you can see, actually I'm going to show you where I used it. Where did I use it actually? I used it in the timer, yeah. So this is a switch statement. It makes it very easy so that you don't have to do tons of if statements, and it's very easy like this. And I forgot to put down something. There you go. Alright. And I can just I don't really like that format now. I'll leave it at that. Right, and down here, where did I put it? Get it. Alright. So it was. I'm going to go show you what. Okay, so what a switch statement is. It's basically switch, and then the value of whatever something that could change, basically. And then you do case if the case is equal. Case and then like either a number or a letter or whatever. So kind of what you could do. So say if time equals 60, then send message with a prefix, a time, and the players, and then it will run this. So probably send message which it as the prefix plus there is blank time until voting ends. Simple, right? And then break, which makes us know, okay, I'm done with this. And it does the same thing for 30, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, then it runs stop. Right, and getter. So what we can do here is switch G, then we can do case, oops, not capitalized, case, KO, game equals knockout, break. Break is just what you use to, get out of it. Say, okay, I'm done. Done with this. Don't need to go over to anything else that could potentially cause lag and stuff. So case PSG game equals beast survival. Actually, no. Let's just call this survival games. So now you guys are gonna figure out some of the games that are going to be on the initial launch of my server. Congratulations, huh? Yes, this server has been in the works for over a year now, actually. It's been in the works. There's been a lot of setbacks. It's very, kind of unprofessional. If it's going to be a good server, a great server, hopefully. But I know that people probably won't go on it, but it's all in good fun, I have fun making the stuff. I have fun, doing what I do. Alright, case CTF. No, this regular CTF. And game equals catch. Share the flag. Break. Case. My God. Case BW. Game equals bow warfare. Oh yeah. See then break. Case and then case Gaga. Game equals Gaga pit. Break. Alright. And then return game. So yeah. That's switch statements right there. Switch statements. Yay. Yay. So now what was I doing before player check? Alright, I can do getter equals new getter. Import getter. getter. I can do getter dot get game for arena. I can do string game equals getter dot get getter for game. And then you can go over and let's see. How did I normally do this? I had a whole method that I usually do. Get maps. Yeah. Let me just copy some of this. Where did I put it? Player check. Alright. Fine. Make it lowercase. Alright, and this will get the files that are inside of it. Alright. File equals new file, game starts. Game plus dot YML. And then I can load the configuration for it. So I can do a YML configuration. Config equals new, not new. YML configuration dot load configuration for file. Then I can do config dot get int min equals config dot get int, my god, get int min players. Alright, so now we've got our little int for players, and that's probably where I'm going to call it quits. Sorry, defined in the scope. What? Oh, oops. Minp. Oh. Mipen. Yeah. So that's probably where I'm going to end this video. It probably wasn't too exciting, because I didn't really have to. You guys have learned a lot, and I actually truly mean that. From the stuff that you've already learned, you could already create a nice, well-developed plugin that a server could use. Really, you know how to use commands, you know how to use events, letting things happen, sending messages to different players. If you want to experiment a bit more with other stuff that you can figure out, with materials, setting blocks to different things, striking lightning in different places, creating explosions with our fantastic boomstick, then go ahead and experiment, do whatever you want. And I actually personally love to see what creations that you guys can come up with using what you've learned. So if you guys want to see anything else, then post a comment. That's how I know what to do for these tutorials, or else you'd just be watching me just do what I do here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, and that's just about it. Make sure to tell me what you guys want to see, what you like about the series, what you don't, any other new series that you might might want me to do. Just don't be afraid to leave a comment. I will reply to you, or yeah, I'll reply to you, 'cause I like you. Yeah. Alright, anyway. So, see you guys. Goodbye.